Deep in the heart of West Africa, a vibrant people thrive. The Igbo, they are known for their entrepreneurial spirit. Their art is captivating. Their culture runs deep. In Nigeria, they are one of the largest ethnic groups. Their history, it's a tapestry woven with triumphs and struggles. But the origin of the Igbos? It's a mystery, an enigma waiting to be unraveled. The Igbo story is one of resilience. They've faced colonialism. They've endured civil war. Through it all, their spirit remains unbroken. Their identity? It's a complex mix of tradition and modernity. From ancient rituals to bustling marketplaces, the Igbo pulse resonates. But where did this all begin? Let's embark on a journey to discover the roots of this remarkable people. The origin of the Igbos is a subject of much debate. Some scholars point to the possibility of ancient migrations. Did they come from the east, the north, or did they emerge from the very land they now call home? Archaeological evidence offers tantalizing clues. Ancient artifacts unearthed in Igbo lands tell tales of a people with a long and rich past.
Oral traditions passed down through generations offer their own version of events. These stories speak of mythical ancestors, epic journeys, and the formation of early Igbo societies. While these accounts may be shrouded in myth and legend, they provide valuable insights into the Igbo worldview. They reveal a deep connection to their ancestors and a reverence for their land.
Linguistic analysis adds another layer to the puzzle. The Igbo language, with its unique structure and vocabulary, offers clues to its origins. Some linguists see similarities with other languages spoken in West Africa. This suggests possible connections to other ethnic groups in the region. The search for the Igbo origin story is like piecing together a fragmented map. Each piece of evidence, whether archaeological, oral, or linguistic, brings us closer to understanding the roots of this enigmatic people. The story of the Igbos extends beyond the borders of present-day Nigeria. The transatlantic slave trade had a profound impact on the Igbo people. Many were forcibly taken from their homeland and transported across the Atlantic. This diaspora led to the establishment of Igbo communities in the Americas, particularly in the Caribbean and the United States. Despite the horrors of slavery, the Igbo spirit endured. In these new lands, the Igbos held on to their cultural traditions. Music, dance, and storytelling became powerful tools for preserving their heritage. These cultural expressions served as a reminder of their roots and a source of strength in the face of adversity. The Igbo diaspora also played a significant role in the struggle for civil rights and equality in the Americas. Their resilience and determination in the face of oppression continue to inspire generations. The Igbo story is one of resilience, adaptation, and the enduring power of culture. From their ancestral homeland in West Africa to the diaspora communities scattered across the globe, the Igbos have left an indelible mark on the world. Their journey is a testament to the human spirit's ability to overcome adversity and preserve its identity in the face of change. The Igbo homeland, located in southeastern Nigeria, whispers secrets of the past. Archaeologists have unearthed artifacts that shed light on the early days of Igbo civilization. One crucial site is the Nsukka region, where remnants of ancient settlements offer glimpses into the past. Pottery shards, tools, and remnants of dwellings tell a story of skilled farmers and artisans. Another significant discovery is the Igbo Ukewu bronze castings, dating back to the 9th century AD. These exquisite works of art showcase the remarkable craftsmanship of the early Igbos, tracing the threads, migration theories, and oral histories. The origins of the Igbo people are shrouded in mystery. Some scholars suggest the Igbos arrived in Nigeria from other regions. One theory links the Igbos to ancient Egyptian or Nubian civilizations. Oral traditions offer another perspective on Igbo origins. These stories speak of ancestral migrations and the founding of early Igbo settlements. Migration theories and oral histories offer intriguing possibilities. The search for their origins is an ongoing journey. The rise of NRI, a kingdom of influence. Various Igbo kingdoms emerged, each with distinct traditions and power structures. The kingdom of NRI shaped Igbo culture and spirituality. Founded around the 10th century AD, NRI was a theocratic state. The Ys NRI, a priest-king, was believed to be a divine descendant of Eri. He maintained peace and order through ritual sanctions and taboos. NRI's beliefs and practices spread throughout Igboland. The Ys NRI's authority was widely recognized and his blessings were sought after. Before colonialism, Igbo society and structure. Prior to the arrival of European powers, the Igbos had developed a complex and decentralized society with unique political, social and economic structures. Unlike centralized kingdoms found in other parts of Africa, the Igbos lived in autonomous communities known as villages or towns. Each village was independent, governing itself through a council of elders or lineage heads. Within these villages, social organization revolved around kinship ties and age grades. Families formed the bedrock of society, with extended family networks providing support and solidarity. Age grades, groups of individuals initiated together, played a crucial role in social cohesion, providing a framework for education, work, and communal responsibilities. The Igbo people were known for their entrepreneurial spirit and a strong tradition of trade. They were skilled farmers, cultivating yams, cassava, and other crops. Markets, held regularly, served as vibrant hubs of economic and social exchange. Women played a significant role in trade, controlling local markets and contributing to the economic well-being of their communities. Despite the absence of a centralized political authority, the Igbos had mechanisms for resolving disputes and maintaining order. Village councils, composed of respected elders, adjudicated disputes relying on customary laws and traditions. Secret societies such as the Ekpe Society also played a role in social control, enforcing codes of conduct and punishing transgressions. This decentralized system fostered a sense of independence and self-reliance among the Igbo people, shaping their cultural identity for centuries to come. The rhythm of life, language, music and dance. The Igbo language, with its melodic tones and nuanced expressions, is the lifeblood of Igbo culture. It's a tonal language where the meaning of a word can change depending on the pitch with which it's spoken. This linguistic complexity is reflected in the rich tapestry of Igbo oral traditions, where words hold immense power. From everyday conversations to formal pronouncements, the Igbo language is a testament to their cultural richness. Music and dance are integral parts of Igbo life, weaving together rhythms, melodies and movements that express their joys, sorrows and shared history. The Igbo people are known for their mastery of various musical instruments, including the metal gong, wooden slit drum and thumb piano. These instruments, often played together in ensembles, create the vibrant soundscape of Igbo celebrations and rituals. Igbo dances are equally captivating, often involving intricate footwork, energetic movements and colourful costumes. These dances, passed down through generations, often tell stories, reenact historical events or pay homage to deities and ancestors. The dance, known for its acrobatic displays and synchronized movements, is a prime example of the Igbo's artistic prowess. It's a celebration of strength, agility and cultural pride. From the lilting tones of their language to the pulsating rhythms of their music and dance, the Igbo people have created a vibrant cultural tapestry that reflects their deep connection to their heritage. These art forms are not merely entertainment, but serve as powerful expressions of Igbo identity, transmitting values, beliefs and traditions from one generation to the next. Masquerades and festivals are vibrant threads in the rich tapestry of Igbo culture. Masquerades, known as Manwu, blend performance, ritual and social commentary. These masked figures represent ancestral spirits, deities or abstract concepts. The masks are carved from wood, adorned with intricate designs and painted in vivid colours. Each mask holds symbolic meaning, representing specific spirits or virtues. Skilled dancers bring these masks to life. Embodying the spirit of the character, festivals provide opportunities for the Igbo people to come together, celebrate their heritage and reinforce social bonds. The New Yam Festival is celebrated at the beginning of the harvest season. It's a time to give thanks, honor ancestors, and reaffirm community ties, filled with feasting, music, dance, and masquerades. These events connect the present to the past, reinforcing cultural values. They offer a window into the Igbo worldview where tradition and modernity coexist.
For the Igbo people, storytelling is a way of life. It's how they transmit knowledge and make sense of the world. Oral traditions preserve their history, beliefs, and wisdom. Proverbs encapsulate Igbo wisdom and philosophy. These sayings offer guidance on life and relationships. For example, the proverb, "When a king's palace burns down, the rebuilt palace is more beautiful," speaks to resilience.
Myths and legends explain the origins of the world and human nature. These stories offer insights into Igbo cosmology and moral dilemmas. One legend tells the story of Allah, the earth goddess, source of fertility and justice. Another tale revolves around the tortoise, a trickster figure known for his wit.
These stories continue to shape the Igbo worldview. The Igbo art of storytelling reflects their deep connection to their past.
Section 4, a legacy of resilience, adapting to change.
During the colonial era, the Igbo people embraced Western education and economic opportunities. They excelled in various fields, making significant contributions to Nigerian society. The Igbo story is one of survival, adaptation, and the enduring power of culture. They have shown time and again their ability to navigate change, preserve their traditions, and emerge stronger from adversity. The Igbo people, with their rich history, vibrant culture, and indomitable spirit, continue to inspire generations.
Section 1, Land of the Rising Sun, the idea of Biafra. The Biafran sun, a symbol of hope and rebirth, rose briefly over southeastern Nigeria in the late 1960s. The Igbo, with their distinct language, culture, and entrepreneurial spirit, felt increasingly marginalized in the newly independent Nigeria. The idea of Biafra, a land where the Igbo could control their own destiny, began to resonate deeply. The sun in the Biafran flag symbolized a new dawn, a promise of freedom and self-determination for the Igbo people. The idea of Biafra represented a beacon of hope, a chance to create a better future for themselves and their children. Section 2, the struggle for self-determination, the Biafran War. On May 30th, 1967, the Republic of Biafra declared its independence from Nigeria. The Biafran people, though outgunned and outmanned, fought fiercely for their right to self-determination.
The Biafran War was a complex and tragic conflict, with political, ethnic, and economic factors all playing a role. Despite facing overwhelming odds, the Biafrans displayed remarkable resilience and ingenuity. The war had a profound impact on the Igbo psyche, leaving behind scars of loss, displacement, and a deep yearning for peace and justice. The Biafran War ended on January 15, 1970, with the unconditional surrender of Biafra to Nigeria. The war left an indelible mark on the region, with millions dead from fighting, disease, and starvation.
The end of the war brought about a sense of relief, but it also ushered in a period of reconciliation and rebuilding.
The war had a devastating impact on the Igbo economy, infrastructure, and social structures. Many Igbos, who had fled their homes during the conflict, returned to find their properties destroyed and their livelihoods shattered. Despite the challenges, the Igbo people began the arduous task of rebuilding their lives and communities.
Although the dream of an independent Biafra was short-lived, the spirit of Biafra lived on in the hearts and minds of the Igbo people.
The Biafran experience left an indelible mark on Igbo literature, music, and art. Writers like Chinua Achebe and Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie have explored the themes of war, loss, and the search for identity in their works.
In recent years, there has been a resurgence of pro-Biafra sentiment, particularly among the younger generation of Igbos.
The Biafran flag has become a potent emblem of Igbo identity and a rallying cry for those seeking greater self-determination. The the legacy of Biafra continues to shape the political and cultural landscape of southeastern Nigeria.
The Igbo people, with their rich history and enigmatic origins, have long intrigued anthropologists and historians.
The story of the lost tribes is one of exile and mystery.
The theory of an Igbo-Israel connection is rooted in a combination of cultural, linguistic, and religious similarities.
The idea of a genealogical link to ancient Israel has resonated deeply with some Igbo communities.
The theory offers a sense of belonging to a larger narrative, a shared history that stretches back thousands of years.
However, it's essential to approach these theories with a critical eye, acknowledging the complexities of history, migration patterns, and cultural diffusion. Section 2, Cultural Echoes, Parallels and Shared Practices.
These similarities, while not necessarily proof of a direct historical connection, offer compelling evidence of cultural exchange or a shared ancient heritage.
The Igbo, with their strong emphasis on extended family and village life, share with Jewish communities a deep-rooted sense of collective identity and responsibility.
Another striking similarity is the use of proverbs and storytelling as tools for education and cultural transmission.
These stories, often passed down through generations, serve as a way to connect with the past, understand the present, and navigate the complexities of life.
Further research, particularly in the fields of comparative linguistics and cultural anthropology, is needed to fully explore the extent and nature of these intriguing connections.
Section 3, A Matter of Faith, Igbo Judaism and Spiritual Kinship.
Igbo Judaism is a relatively recent phenomenon, emerging in the late 20th century, but it has gained increasing visibility and adherence in recent years.
Igbo synagogues, often adorned with both traditional Jewish and Igbo symbols, have sprung up in various parts of Igbo land.
Igbo Jews observe Jewish holidays, study Hebrew scriptures, and often adopt Jewish names and customs, blending them with their existing Igbo traditions.
Some within both the Jewish and Igbo communities have questioned its legitimacy or expressed concerns about cultural appropriation.
The story of Igbo Judaism highlights the complexities of identity, faith, and the human search for connection.
Section 4, Genetic Clues, Unraveling Ancestry and Migration.
Genetic studies can provide valuable insights into human migration patterns, ancestral origins, and the relationships between different populations.
Some genetic studies have identified genetic markers in certain Igbo populations that are also found in Jewish populations.
Genetic markers can be passed down through generations, and their presence in different populations could be the result of ancient migrations, intermarriage, or other forms of cultural contact.
Drawing definitive conclusions about ancestral origins based solely on genetic data is challenging.
As genetic testing methods become more sophisticated, we can expect further insights into the ancestral origins of the Igbo people and their relationship to other populations around the world.
Across the continent, the Igbo footprint. The Igbo story doesn't end in Nigeria. Their influence stretches across the African continent. Igbo culture has taken root in surprising places. Centuries of trade, migration, and cultural exchange have left their mark. From Ghana to Cameroon, traces of Igbo presence can be found, a testament to their adventurous spirit and adaptability. The Igbo people's impact on other African regions is evident in trade. Renowned for their business acumen, the Igbo have long been active in regional and trans-Saharan trade. Their caravans, laden with goods, established commercial ties and left a lasting impact.
The Igbo language, with its various dialects, also shows their far-reaching influence. Similarities in languages of Cameroon, Equatorial Guinea, and Gabon suggest historical interactions. Igbo cultural practices have influenced other African societies. The Igbo tradition of masquerades has resonated with neighboring communities. Through trade, language, and culture, the Igbo have left a lasting impact on African cultures.
While the Igbo homeland remains in southeastern Nigeria, centuries of migration have led to vibrant Igbo communities in other parts of Africa. These communities have adapted to their new surroundings while retaining elements of their Igbo identity.
In Ghana, there is a significant Igbo community in Accra and Kumasi. They maintain close ties with Nigeria, participating in cultural exchanges and contributing economically.
In Cameroon and Equatorial Guinea, Igbo communities integrate locally while preserving their heritage. They serve as cultural bridges, fostering understanding and appreciation for African diversity.
The Igbo experience, with its emphasis on community, resilience, and self-determination, resonates with the Pan-African movement. Pan-Africanism advocates for the unity and solidarity of Africans worldwide. The Igbo people's history of resistance and contributions make them natural allies in the Pan-African struggle. The Igbo concept of strength in unity encapsulates Pan-Africanism. The Igbo people embody the spirit of Pan-Africanism. We've journeyed deep into the heart of Africa, exploring the enigma that is the Igbo people. From the archaeological digs revealing ancient settlements to the vibrant marketplaces pulsing with life, the Igbo story has unfolded. Their origins, still shrouded in mystery, a blend of whispers and theories. Did they arrive from distant lands or rise from the very soil they call home? The answer, perhaps, lies in the heart of their enduring spirit. The Igbo are survivors, they are storytellers. Their culture, a tapestry woven with threads of resilience, adaptation, and a deep connection to their roots. The Biafran War, a tragic chapter, tested their resolve but couldn't extinguish their spirit. The echoes of that struggle still resonate, a reminder of the human cost of conflict and the enduring quest for self-determination. Across the continent and beyond, the Igbo have left their mark. Trade routes became cultural bridges carrying their language, traditions, and that unmistakable entrepreneurial spirit. Even the horrors of the transatlantic slave trade couldn't erase their cultural DNA, which re-emerged in music, food, and stories told in distant lands. The Igbo spirit, like a seed carried by the wind, took root and flourished. So where did the Igbo come from? The answer, perhaps, is less important than the legacy they continue to build. A legacy of resilience, creativity, and an unwavering belief in the power of community. The Igbo story is still being written, a testament to the enduring human spirit and the power of culture, to connect us across time, continents, and the mysteries of our shared past. Thank you for watching Akuko TV. Like, share, and subscribe.